What would you say is unique about the Azure Acceleration program compared to similar services in the industry?
I think because it's comprehensive and it goes from, how do you target who you're going to sell to? What your goals are, hopefully, but who are you going to target and who are you going to sell to? All the way through to that conversation you're going to eventually have with them. So what we see quite often in the market is that many companies focus on value proposition, which is really important. Who are you? Why are you unique? And from our shopping experience, I can tell you many companies within this Microsoft ecosystem still talk as though, and speak on their websites and talk from a perspective of technology first.
Yeah.
So it's all cloud, or Azure. And what we try to do is sell Azure without talking about Azure. Mm-hmm. So that already makes us different. Yeah. The other thing is a lot of companies are hoping that you're going to, what we call in the industry, lift and shift. So a lot of technology. So you're going to take everything you have currently in your office, hardware, software, and you're going to move it into the cloud. Mm-hmm. And it doesn't work that way.
Yeah.
There are companies that will do that naturally because they're leaders in being modern and technologically the best, or in delivering the best customer service, and they'll go first. But given how long Azure has been in the market and competing services, they've probably already called. Mm-hmm. So they probably already said, come and help me. What we're looking to do is go after that second group that could do all or part if they have the right arguments, the right sales conversations. And that's what we're all about. Let's put in a targeted, upsell-oriented business conversation, sales motion in order to fill your funnel, get more opportunity, get more pipeline for Azure.